All right, good morning, fourth graders. How are you today? I need all eyes on me. All right, perfect. So today we are going to be detectives. And what that means is we're going to have our magnifying glass out and we are fixing to get ready to figure out what happens whenever something else happens, which is cause and effect. So today we're going to be reading an informational text, a very small one, and we are going to identify the cause and effect relationship happening in our text. So before we do that, I want you guys to get ready to turn and talk. So everybody turn to your neighbor, and I want you to think about something that has happened because of another action. So think about it could happen at home, like did your alarm forget to go off and because of that you were late? Did you have to take an umbrella to school because it rained? I want you to think of an action that happened that caused another action to happen. Okay, so you're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna give you a minute for you to share with each other. So go ahead and turn and talk. All right, perfect. All eyes on me. All right, so today we are going to learn how to find cause and effect relationships in our informational text right up here. And we're going to explain why things happen. So I want everybody to think about that because that's our title, cause and effect, why things happen. Well, why did I have to take my umbrella to school? Because it rained. Okay, perfect. So we're fixing to get ready to do that, but first I want to look at our objective. Okay, so our objective for today is students will identify and explain cause and effect relationships in an informational text by using signal words and real life examples. So before we even do that, we need to look at our definition of cause and effect, right? So let's read it together. Cause, the reason why something happens. So the reason, it's the reason. And let's do this one. All eyes on me. Okay, ready, go. Effect, what happens as a result of the cause. And you need to remember this. The effect cannot happen first, right? It's going to be the cause. So we're going to identify that in our story today. And a little bit of some signal words. I want you to look at this for a second and read them over. I'll give you a minute just to briefly read over them. These are the words that you need to look for when you are trying to identify cause and effect in your text. And I have a few examples. So if you forgot to set your alarm, what would be the effect? Exactly, you would be late. You'd be late to work, you'd be late to school. Now, I want to cover this real fast. It was raining outside. What do you think the effect of if it was raining outside, what would be the effect? What would happen next? Yes, you would need your umbrella. We need our umbrella because why? It was raining. Perfect. So we're all going to get ready to read our paragraph, to our passage. So let's all eyes on me. All right, we're going to read this together. So during a drought, plants do not get enough water. As a result, do y'all see that? I see a signal word. So, that's telling me that this is the effect, right? So we need to figure out what the cause is. So during a drought, plants do not get enough water. As a result, they dry up and die. So we need to figure out what the cause is and what the effect is. So I want you guys to turn to your partners and I want you to think about it. What is the cause and what is the effect? All right, just a few more seconds. All right, perfect. All eyes on me. All right. I'm gonna pick out a popsicle stick out of my jar and then you're going to share. You are gonna share what the cause is and you're gonna share what your partner said the effect is. So, Amanda, all right, go ahead and share what is the cause in our text? What is the cause in our text? Exactly. During a drought, plants do not get enough water. When there's a drought, there's no rain, right? So they do not get enough water. Okay, well, what did your partner say? What is the effect of there being a drought and the plants not getting enough water? What happens to the plants? Exactly. As a result of there being a drought and not enough water, the plants did what? They dry up and die. Perfect, guys. You were all catching on to this. You're doing a great job. Give yourself a pat on the back. All right, now you have been an amazing detective. You need to show me what you have learned. So your exit ticket for today is you are going to do it, get a Post-it note. And on your Post-it note, you are going to write a cause. It could be in your life, it could be at home, school, church, sports, anything, okay? I want you to think about this for 1 minute and write it down. Write down a cause on your Post-it note, okay? So go ahead and go. All right, perfect. All eyes on me. All right, well, I'm gonna pick about 2 people to come share with the class what your cause is, and then we are going to guess what your effect is with your cause, and then we are gonna place them up on our chart. So everybody is going to get a chance to put your cause on here and share it with the class, and then we are going to get ready to all work as a class to see what the effect is. All right. All right, perfect. Now that we have all successfully wrote down our cause, we wrote down and we all worked as a class to find the effect to our cause. It is a great job. You all did a great job. You're good detectives, so good job.